The best over-ear headphones for workouts strike a balance between comfort, stability, wireless performance, and endurance. When you're pushing through reps, you need a secure fit, sweat resistance, reliable battery life, and sound that keeps you motivated without distracting latency. This comparison analyzes 5 models across a budget to premium spectrum.
List number 1. JBL Tune 720 BT. Wireless over-ear headphones with JBL partner. The JBL Tune 720 BT brings JBL pure bass sound in an over-ear foldable package with Bluetooth 5.3, up to 76 hours of battery life, and a light, comfortable build. It emphasizes a classic Bluetooth headset form factor with multi-point pairing and a JBL Headphones app EQ customization. The design prioritizes travel friendliness and long listening sessions, making it a strong value proposition in the budget to mid-tier. Performance-wise, the 40mm dynamic drivers deliver the well-known JBL bass emphasis, which suits high-energy workout playlists. The 76-hour claim is compelling for long trips or training blocks, and the 2-hour fast charging helps reduce downtime. In use, the Tune 720 BT offers intuitive controls on the ear cups and voice-aware for calls. However, as a budget-friendly model, you may notice a lighter soundstage and limited spatial imaging compared with higher-resolution competitors. Build materials are primarily plastic, which keeps weight low but may feel less premium over time.
List number 2. Wireless earbuds. The BX117 sports wireless earbuds with over-ear hook design, IPX7 waterproofing, 80-hour total playback with a charging case, and Bluetooth 5.3. It emphasizes sport-focused stability, passive isolation, and a real-time battery LED display for quick power checks. While not an over-ear circumaural headphone, it represents the category's flexibility for workouts where freedom of movement and secure fit are paramount. Performance-wise, the 14.3mm drivers deliver robust bass with a focus on secure fit via flexible ear hooks and 3 silicone tip sizes. The IPX7 rating makes them resilient to sweat and rain, and the case LED indicators help manage endurance during long sessions. Real-world use shows strong pairing stability and easy touch controls with glove-friendly operation. The primary trade-off is that in-ear form factor may not deliver the same soundstage or comfort for users who prefer an over-ear silhouette for all-day wear, and battery life claims assume careful case management. List number 3. Barabai's Bluetooth headphones over-ear. Barabai's WH202A over-ear headphones emphasize long battery life, 65 hours, and 6 EQ modes, plus foldable, lightweight design and Bluetooth 5.3 with a wired option via 3.5mm. The build leans toward a budget-friendly, audiophile-friendly tuning with a focus on versatility across music and calls, ideal for home office or commuting where comfort matters as much as endurance. Performance-wise, Barabai's delivers a dynamic 40mm driver pairing and 6 EQ presets for tailoring sound to content, from balanced to enhanced bass. The all-day comfort comes from a light build, about 0.38 pounds, and an adjustable headband with memory protein ear pads. The dual-mode wired and wireless capability guards against power gaps during long sessions. While battery life is strong, some models in this price tier may exhibit limited remote control finesse or slightly uneven treble at higher volumes. Connectivity remains stable within typical 33 feet range. List number 4. KVIDIO Bluetooth headphones over-ear. KVIDIO WH201A targets budget-conscious athletes with 65 hours of playtime, a foldable over-ear form, and Bluetooth 5.4 plus wired fallback via 3.5mm. It emphasizes deep bass, memory foam ear pads, and a lightweight 0.44-pound design. The inclusion of a low-latency claim and fast USB-C charging supports workout pacing and gym use, making it a compelling option for price-sensitive buyers. Performance-wise, the 40mm drivers deliver a robust bass response suitable for high-energy playlists, while the memory foam ear cups keep comfort stable during long sessions.
The 33-foot Bluetooth range is typical for casual gym use, and the option to switch to wired mode avoids interruptions when the battery dies, critical for extended workouts or travel. Some caveats include potential soundstage limitations and build materials that, while light, may not withstand rough handling as well as premium models.
List number 5. Baribee's Bluetooth Headphones Over-Ear. This Baribee's WH202A variant carries the same 65-hour playtime, 6 EQ modes, and Bluetooth 5.3, but in a different color, green, and slightly different packaging. It reinforces Baribee's value proposition with a foldable, lightweight design and wired wireless versatility suitable for a broad range of activities from home office to travel. Performance-wise, you can expect similar 40mm drivers and 6 EQ presets, offering flexible sound tuning for bass-heavy workouts or clearer mids for podcasts. The 65-hour battery life supports long training blocks, while the detachable 3.5mm option ensures you're never stranded mid-session. The trade-offs mirror the other Baribee's WH202A variant. Sound fidelity may not match premium brands at high volumes, and the build quality is more utilitarian.